Hello YouTubers, this is a quick video on how to convert your picture into a vector format. So this is in Adobe Illustrator, but this is Corridor 17. So this is a quick preview in Corridor 17. You can see how the filter actually separated individual colors on its layers. Well, let's go to Adobe Illustrator where you see how everything is being done. You can see how actually it separated everything else. You can see her tongue is having different colors and her lips is having different color. By the time you zoom out, you won't see it very well. Zoom out. So everything here is, I actually did it in this Illustrator. Well, this is a short video which explains totally how to convert a picture without losing any detail at all. So this is the main picture here, the picture which I downloaded. So go to Illustrator, go to File, click on New, and I don't want to mess up with any of these settings, just for tutorial purpose. So go to File, we're going to place our image. If you want to import your picture in Adobe Illustrator, I'm using CS6, but it doesn't matter which version you are using. Well, you go to Place, because you don't open picture, because if you want to touch the detail settings, the editing settings, it won't work except you place. So it is advisable you place. So this is the picture here. By the time you place a picture, you are going to see a word, let's say a line. You can see the two line crossing. So that's how to place a picture in Adobe Illustrator. So I would like to reduce the size here. So okay. Shift and Alt at the same time. Control 0. To do here, you can see this is a feature here. This is the magic here, image trace. So click on this little arrow and set it to high fidelity photo. So it will actually be rendering different filter. You can see smart blur. That's the first one. The second one is pixel clustering. The third one is going to go. The fourth one is going to go. So all this thing has been programmed in sequence order. I don't know, but how this thing actually work is, I don't know how actually this thing work, but it separates its color individual into million color, I think. Well, let's just wait till it's done. This is path smoothing. But I don't know if these features is in Adobe Photoshop. Well, that's why I love Adobe Illustrator. It deals with vector format. So let's be patient while it finish its filtering. So I think it's done here. So by the time you zoom in once more, zoom in again and again, you can see how everything has been separated on its layer. But by the time you go to layer panel here and click on this little arrow here, you find out that there is no any other arrow here. So how are you going to edit these pictures here? So what I did was that I go to File, try to save it as an Illustrator file here, .ai, and I save it. Let's save it. Okay, let's leave it as Untitled 3. So kind of pump all these things here. Illustrator CSS, all of this, blah blah blah. Just hit OK. So we are going to open it in Corridor 17, where we'll ungroup the entire object and start to change colors there if you want. If you like, go to Adobe Corridor 17, create a new layer here, a new page instead. Let's see untitled. Very good. This is the untitled tree, so just drag it like so. Wow, it's P to position the picture on the center. So you can see that it's saying group of one object on layer, and it's showing a button that ungroup object. I'm gonna click it, I think 3 times or 2. Should be 3 times. Okay. You can see how everything is on grouping. Well, on Adobe Illustrator, everything is grouped, and you can see that there is almost 11,052 objects selected on one layer. So you can see that both the tongue is on a separate layer, is having different colors. That's why I think how this thing works is that it separates, or it colors different individual colors on its layer. You can see everything has been separated. You can see. Well, this is another features in which some people would like to edit their picture if they want, in a vector format or in a paint, anyone you may call it. So thank you very much. I hope you like my tutorial. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much, and goodbye for now.